So guys, in this video, we will talk about information security versus cyber security, what exactly it is, how it is different, and because there are many professionals which are confused, they should pursue career in information security or cyber security. So in this video, quickly we will summarize everything so it will be easy to understand. First thing, let's understand information security. So information security, it's a actually having a broader scope. Okay, when I'm saying broader scope, that means it focusing on the protection of information in any form, either it is based on location, storage medium, document. I mean, when I'm talking about document, physical documents, paper records, magnetic tapes, or the digital data. Everything comes under information security scope. When we are talking about cyber security, it's specifically focused on protecting information systems and networks from cyber attack. So normally it includes like protecting against threats like malware, hacking, phishing, and data breaches. These all things, whatever comes related to the network, it comes under cyber attack. Here everything, either it is physical or digital, everything comes under information security. So if we understand this thing, cyber security is a subset of information security. So now the thing is, we need to understand what techniques we need to use in different skills. Okay, first we will talk about information security. In this one, we mainly rely on wider range of techniques to achieve its goal, which includes physical security measures like we can use locks, or to also we can use cameras, we can use access control, we can use data encryption, or we can use risk management practices. So these all techniques comes under information security. So when we are talking about techniques related to cyber security, it's actually using the more special, it's actually using more specialized set of tools and techniques like firewall. We are having IDS systems, intrusion detection system, uh, a vulnerability assessment or scanner, we can say. Okay, also incident response procedures also comes under cyber attacks. Okay, so these are the techniques we use in cyber security. When we are talking about threats, so information security professionals need to be aware of broad range of threats, which includes physical theft like anybody can steal your documents, physical documents I'm talking about. We need to be worry about natural disasters, human error, insider threats as well. So what are the threats we are having in this one, which we need to protect or we need to face? That's our physical theft, natural disaster, and I can say human errors, or insider threats also we are having. Because if you are part of an organization, a small employee can also steal your document or steal your data and sell it for the his own benefits, right? So these are the threats we need to cater under information security. But when we talk about cyber security, professional are primarily concerned with cyber attacks, which can comes in various forms like ransomware. We already faced such things in 5 to 6 years back, if I'm not wrong. We are having denial of service attacks, DDoS, distributed denial of service. We are having social engineering scams as well, like phishing, and all these comes under cyber attacks. So these are the threats we need to focus. So now we will talk about the small chart that will help you to understand quickly about the features. So if we talk about the focus area of information security, it's mainly protect information in any form. So protect information in any form. When we are talking about the cyber security focus area, it protect information in only electronic systems and networks. If we talk about the threats which we already seen, right? So it comes physical or digital, whatever it is. But when we are talking about cyber security, it's like cyber attacks, which we discuss, or data breaches also comes under cyber security. Next thing, if we talk about the examples of controls, so we can use access control for this one, we can use encryption of data, we can use physical security measures to protect physical documents or data whatever we are having in our organization. When we talk about the how we can control cyber security, so we can use firewalls, we can use IDS IPS systems, or malware protection we can use for our organization. So these are the few things which we can understand once you know these ones. So now you can easily explain what exactly the information security domain includes and what cyber security domain includes. So now you can easily define where you want to go, which path you need to choose. If you are focusing more about protecting information in terms of physical or digital, you can go with the information security domain. If you are only worried about and looking for a career in cyber attacks, then you can go for a cyber security role. So guys, that's it in this video. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in next video with more learning content.